Congratulations, Team VIROC. First of all, I would like to congratulate Dr. Rajiv, Dr. Vijay, and the entire team of VIROC Hospital for achieving the remarkable milestone of 6,000 plus natural knee replacement by robotic technology. And their philosophy for patient first is incredible. Hi, namaskar everybody. Myself Vijay Satav. I am living in Vadodara with my family and I am working with a reputed tire manufacturing company in Vadodara. From last 5 to 6 years, I was having severe pain in my right leg. My life was so disturbed that I was not able to do my routine activities like walking, using Indian toilets and squatting. Even I was not able to do my gym and my daily activities. So it has basically affected my professional and personal life both. So when my pain got very severe and acute, I consulted many orthopedic surgeons and doctors in Vadodara. And I got a feedback that I have some problem in my knee. So we did some medication, but it doesn't improve. So finally, I got reference of Dr. Rajiv, and I consulted him. And on my first visit itself, when I was in front of him discussing the things, he immediately pointed out that I have a problem in my hip. And upon doing the X-ray investigation, it was found that yes, I have a wear and tear in my ball, and he suggests for a THR. Yeah, so I got finally operated for my right THR. My surgery was performed by Dr. Rajiv. And the entire process which was followed at VIROC was very systematic and very easy. The admission process during surgery and after surgery, the support staff was very supportive, and they helped me a lot in getting recovered. And the most important thing is that after one day I was discharged, and I was able to walk on walker. After 1 week, my rehabilitation began at my home. Dr. Sohail was my physio, and he performed my exercises step by step, and he was very supportive, and with the help of Dr. Sohail, I was able to get out of my walker, then come to the walking stick, and finally I left both the things, and I was able to walk on my own and climb and up and down the stairs. So thank you very much for that support. And after the surgery, my life has totally changed. I got a new purpose for living. I could do every activity which I was not able to do before the surgery, like riding a motorcycle, driving four-wheeler, and even jogging. So this has made my professional and personal life both happy. So I would like to thank Dr. Rajiv, entire staff of VIROC Hospital, Dr. Sohail and Dr. Nehal for making my surgery successful and bringing my life to normal. At the end, I would like to congratulate and convey my best wishes to VIROC team, Dr. Rajiv, for bringing the robotic hip replacement surgery for the patients. I am sure that this will bring happiness to a lot of patients who are having the problem with their hip and require an hip replacement. So finally, our best wishes to entire VIROC team. So all the best, VIROC team. Thank you very much.